sometimes we want to delete all unused coupons or all coupons that have been used more than a certain number of times. If we try to do it with WooCommerce, we will have to spend considerable time trying to edit them all. But with the WooCommerce Coupons Spreadsheet plugin, we will be able to do it in seconds. This plugin contains a great bulk editing tool that allows us to edit thousands of coupons at once. In addition, you can edit the values in the spreadsheet just like you do in Excel or Google Sheets. You'll find the link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Before we delete the coupons, let's see how to filter them by usage count using the search tool. Once the tool is open, tick here to enable the advanced filters. Then select usage as the field key. As the operator, we'll select equal. Now enter 0 here. Finally, run the search. And all unused coupons will be displayed in the spreadsheet. You can also search for all coupons used within a certain number of times. For example, less than 50 times or more than 100 times. For this, open the search tool. Then, enable the advanced filters. Choose the usage field key. As the operator, we'll select the greater than option here, to know how many coupons have been used more than 100 times. And enter 100 here. Lastly, run the search and all the coupons that meet the criteria will be displayed in the spreadsheet. After we have filtered the coupons, let's delete them in bulk. To do so, let's open the Bulk Edit tool. Then, select this option to edit the rows from our current search. Enter the field status. Then select to set the value. In this field, choose Delete Completely. And execute. As you can see, all the filtered coupons have been deleted. Finding and removing all your coupons by usage count doesn't have to be a headache, as you can do it quickly with the WooCommerce Coupons Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find the link to download the plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.